Hello folks and welcome to my new video. Today I will be reviewing these two sets from Parkside. This one is impact bit and socket set. It contains, I don't know how much, let me see, 16 impact bits 25mm longs, 8 impact bits 50mm long, and 3 sockets 8, 10 and 13mm. Let's unpack it. So first of all we have this nice looking rigid box. Then we have this container for bolts, nuts and other small parts, and of course here the bits. Let me see how to here you go. These are the longest 50mm drill bits. Oh, sorry, bits. They're quite oily and they have this nice looking cover mark on each one of them. We have Torx, Phillips. Let me see here. Yes, we have only Torx and Phillips. Oh no, we have Torx, Phillips and Posi drive. Yes, the blue one are Posi drive, the red are Phillips, and the yellow are Torx. Let's see what else do we have here. We have this holder for the bits. Let me see if it's magnetic or not. Yes, it's a magnetic holder. We have this quick release holder also. And we have magnetic sockets, 8mm, 10 and 13. Everything is nice, but I really doesn't like the way how it's made to remove the bits holder. It could have been made better. And again, Torx, Phillips, and the last three are Posi drive. I'm not sure if you're able to see, but they're marked with OWIM, which turns out to be a company that was recently bought by Lild. In fact, those two sets I got from Lild. But I really do like the box. It's pretty solid. Let's see. It states that the bits are made from chrome vanadium and S2 steel. They have this VPA certification, and I presume they're pretty good for the price I paid for them. Now let's open the RR set. This is an inspection tool set. It has this magnetic, I don't know how to say it, this magnetic pickup tool with adjustable angle and LED light, and this little mirror. But let's open. And take a closer look. I have lots of these. Finally removed one without tearing the paper. We have a manual. Pretty nice rubber handle. It feels really good on touching. We have this pen looking clip over here. We have some information. Oh, again, the company, it's OWIM. We have information about the batteries. And indeed, this is pretty long. You can adjust the angle of the magnetic pickup tool. As you can see, the magnet is pretty powerful. Let's light up the LED. Strange. Maybe I'm not doing something properly. Or maybe there are no batteries inside. Who knows? No, there are batteries. But why it's not working? That's strange. and I found the problem. The batteries are inside this plastic holder, and we have this insulation paper on the negative pole of the batteries. So let's insert it now and see how it lights up. And yes, it's working. As you can see, it's lighting pretty well. Really nice looking tool. But I do believe that you have to insert the insulation paper each time you stop using the instrument, simply because the on-off switch, there is no on-off switch, and there's a slight possibility when you leave the tool like this on, I don't know, some place, that it can be turned on by itself. So best way is to keep the insulation paper inside and remove it when you start using it. So far for this. So let's look the mirror. Again, the company is OWIM. The same handle, the same extension. The only difference is that here we have this little mirror. It's something like a bomb squad searching mirror. You can look for bombs under your car. Okay, so that's for this product review video. Nice looking tools, pretty cheap. You can buy them from Lild or someplace else. I'm not sure where you can find this Parkside brand. Bye guys.